going anyway, Chris?
Alright.
Good.
Constant.
Good.
Constant. What's that?
I don't know, I'm eating it with a straw. It's good though.
Mmm. 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 Oh, so good. Mmm. Mmm. Mm. Mm. Brilliant, isn't it? Mm. Mm.
How you getting on?
Good.
I was just checking where the drone was coming from.
Didn't you?
I heard it up earlier on.
Did you hear it over the other side of the field?
I was a bit twitchy. There was some. We had a break-in not long ago at the house.
Oh, were you up at the house?
Aye, at the house.
Oh, right.
I heard it going to me. There were 3 boys in the field last night. It's not.
Was
it's
there
not you. So I'm
actually?
a bit, last night I was a bit twitchy anyway. Sorry, the best of the time. So I was just coming down to check there was no.
All good. Honestly, I've only got it.
No, you're fine.
Thanks very much, boy.
Is that your place, is it?
Yeah.
Is it, what is it, an old observatory?
No, it's just a gatehouse for the.
Ah, for the castle. Ah,
That's
that's
it. Right,
cracking.
lads. Here, mate.
It's nice.
First interaction though. First out, I knew it was going to happen.
But see, the great thing about that is the guys come to the sea.
Mm-hmm.
And you can see why, because a lot of folk, they go out houses and fucking see, you know, what's there. The farmers are getting that bothered with folk coming over drones, coming over having a look at the farm. But the good thing about that is,
How's your battery power?
58. It's actually quite fun. It's better than bikes.
it's better bikes. How do you mean?
Better than bikes.
Better than bikes.
Aye. If I could have 6 of them.
We'll get you a bobble hat. You're the biggest bobble in
It's
the
the
world.
best one out
alright?
of the lot.
Never mind that. How am I going to pull 35 minutes worth of footage to my phone for that
Yeah.
camera?
Plug it into your computer and do it.
Yeah. You will.
This is us out vlogging the day.
Chris, what did you think of your scabby drone?
It's magic.
Do you like it?
Aye. And by the looks of things, that was half an hour flight time.
Is that us calling it anyway, is it? Aye.
Yeah.
Aye, Chris has got a party to go to. It's what, about -2?
Aye.
It's been a cold all day, but we've still
Says-
been out. It's been brilliant to be
Says
back
he's going
out
for a
again.
big fat steak, isn't he?
Aye,
So, what do you think of your Grom, John?
I'm fair chuffed with it.
Aye.
Not much I can say, it's just I'm totally addicted to Groms because they're a laugh.
Chris is now addicted to the drone.